Welcome back to Code with Me. In this lesson, we're going to explore objects and arrays in JavaScript. These are fundamental data structures that allow us to store and manipulate data efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll understand object properties and methods, how to create and manipulate objects, object destructuring, arrays, and common array methods like map, filter, reduce, forEach, and find. So, let's get started. Objects in JavaScript. In JavaScript, an object is a collection of key-value pairs. It allows us to group related data and functions together. Let's create an object representing a person. Const person equals first name John, last name Doe, age 30 is employed true, greet function, console.log, hello, my name is this.firstname, this.lastname. Here, first name, last name, age, and is employed are properties, while greet is a method, a function inside an object. To access properties, we can use dot notation or bracket notation. Console.log person.firstname. Output John console.log person age. Output 30. To call a method inside an object, we use person.greet. Output hello, my name is John Doe. Now, let's see how we can modify and add new properties to an object. Person.age equals 31. Person.sit equals New York. Console.log person.age. Output 31 console.log per city. Output New York. We can also delete properties using the delete keyword. Delete person.isEmployed. Console.log person.isEmployed. Output undefined. Object destructuring. JavaScript allows us to extract specific properties from an object using destructuring. Const first name, last name, age equals person. Console.log first name. Output John console.log age. Output 31. This makes it easier to access object properties without writing person.firstname multiple times. Introduction to arrays. An array is an ordered collection of values that can store multiple types of data. Let's create an array of colors. Const colors equals red, blue, green, yellow. Console.log color 0. Output red console.log colors 2. Output green. Arrays are 0 indexed, meaning the first element is at index 0. We can also modify, add, or remove elements. Colors 1 equals purple. Console.log colors. Output red, purple, green, yellow. Colors.push black. Adds an element at the end. Console.log colors. Output red, purple, green, yellow. Colors.pop. Removes the last element. Console.log colors. Output red, purple, green, yellow. Common array methods. JavaScript provides many useful methods to work with arrays. forEach. The forEach method executes a function for each element in the array. Colors.forEach function color, console.log color. The map method creates a new array by applying a function to each element. Const uppercase colors equals colors map, color equals color dot to uppercase. Console.log uppercase colors. Output purple, green, yellow. The filter method returns a new array containing elements that meet a specific condition. Const long colors equals colors.filter color length 4, console.long colors. Output purple, green, yellow. Find. The find method returns the first element that meets a condition. Const green color colors.find equals color equals green. Console.log green color. Output green. The reduce method accumulates values in an array into a single value. Const numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Const sum equals numbers.reduce total num total plus 0. Console.log sum. Output 15. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more JavaScript lessons. See you in the next one.